Hi, I'm Rothenberg, author of Restoring Prana. And today I'd like to share with you a couple of breath tips to help to support your immune system, your respiratory system, your psycho-emotional system so that you can use the breath as medicine. The first tip is this: please breathe through your nose. The nose was designed for breathing, and the nose and the whole nasal cavity has a variety of different ways of sterilizing, moistening, warming the air, preparing it for the lungs so that what we receive in our body is healthy for us. Seal the lips and become a 24/7 nose breather, regardless of what you're doing, other than eating and talking. And according to the yoga text, we should attempt to do both of those last. So to restore your prana, to build your energy, and to support your health, breathe through your nose, in and out, even when exercising. The next tip is to learn to breathe low in the body. When we breathe high, we create tension. When we breathe high, we activate our sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response. When we breathe high, we deactivate our abdominal core, which supports our lower back, supports us in healthy movement. So bring your hands onto your lower ribs and your lower belly. As you breathe in through your nose, expand your abdomen, kind of like you're blowing up a balloon. And then as you breathe out, hug in away from your hands so you feel a hollowing of the belly. Inhale and expand. Exhale, hug in, almost like you're pulling in, zipping up a tight pair of jeans. Again, inhale, expand, and exhale, contract. Now this is a very active and kind of exaggerated action. Begin to lessen the movement, but maintain it. If you find yourself breathing up and the shoulders rising, the collarbones tightening, do a little bit more of that exaggerated abdominal diaphragmatic engagement to bring the breath low, and then slow it down, making the exhalation breath slightly longer than the inhale. And then take a finger under your nose and see if you can lessen the feel of the breath brushing across your finger. Make the breath whisper light, thread light. Low, slow, light nasal breathing. Whenever you feel stressed, whenever you're feeling a little bit pressured or anxious, whenever you bring your attention to your breath, slow it down, bring it low, make it light. See how you feel. Check in for next week's breath tip. Please share as you feel you'd like to with friends, with your family, so that we can all support each other in becoming functional breathers. Namaste.